Picture this. Instead of raiding vending machines for sugary snacks or fizzy drinks, kids at Bark River Harris Elementary are lining up excitedly for something far more nourishing: books. This innovative twist on a classic school perk is not just fun, it's sparking a revolution in how young readers build their personal collections at home. But here's where it gets intriguing. Is this clever reward system truly fostering a lifelong passion for reading? Or is it simply gamifying education in a way that might raise eyebrows? Let's dive in and explore how this book vending machine is transforming the landscape of learning in Bark River, Michigan. Back in the fall, the school rolled out its very own book vending machine, a fresh initiative designed to put literature directly into the hands of its students. For beginners wondering how something like this works in practice, think of it as a motivational tool that blends incentives with education, much like how some parents use sticker charts to encourage chores, but with a focus on intellectual growth. Elementary school principal Kelly Erdy explained it best when she shared her vision. "My main goal is to ensure kids not only access books here at school, but also take them home to keep. It's an extra layer of support, and it celebrates all the wonderful things our students accomplish day in and day out." This approach underscores the importance of extending learning beyond the classroom, creating a bridge between school-based achievements and personal enrichment. And this is the part most people miss. It's all tied to a special recognition program. Students earn a Golden Horseshoe Award for standout academic work or exemplary behavior, like helping a classmate or acing a spelling test. Once they snag that award, they're handed a token, which they then use to unlock the vending machine and pick out their very own book. It's a tangible way to reward effort, turning positive actions into lasting memories. Third-grade teacher Paige Welch couldn't be more thrilled about the buzz it's creating. "We're seeing kids genuinely pumped to carry home a book of their choice," she said. "This isn't just about the reward. It's about showing them how thrilling it can be to dive into a story. Hopefully, it inspires them to value books over flashy toys or gadgets, boosting their reading skills and confidence along the way." To put this in perspective for those new to such programs, imagine a child who might otherwise shy away from reading, suddenly motivated by the chance to select a title that matches their interests, perhaps a mystery novel for an aspiring detective or an adventure tale for a budding explorer. It's like giving kids a personalized gift that keeps on giving, fostering independence and curiosity. With one book already flying off the machine's virtual shelves, the staff is optimistic that this initiative will keep chugging along until the school year wraps up. It's a testament to how small changes can make a big impact on student engagement. But let's not sugarcoat it. Here's where it gets controversial. Some might argue that tying reading to a reward system undermines the pure joy of storytelling, turning it into just another transaction. Is this method nurturing authentic love for books, or could it inadvertently teach kids that reading is only worthwhile when there's a prize at the end? And what about the debate on whether schools should prioritize such incentives over more traditional approaches? We invite you to weigh in. Do you see this as a brilliant way to boost literacy, or does it risk commodifying curiosity? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you agree that rewards like these are a game changer for education, or do you have a counterpoint that challenges this idea? Catch the full story in the video above, featuring our TV6 livestream, https:// until we can clip the corresponding segment from broadcasts or other TV6 content. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page, https://www.youtube.com/willq, or download TV6 Plus for the latest local news and weather updates. Copyright 2025 WLUC. All rights reserved.